Joey. I am in the Mount Hood National Forest right now. I'm camping with the Scamp and Joey. Just woke up. It's about 8 a.m. right now. I made some coffee. It's really cold up here. It's really cold. I found a dispersed camping site. So it's free. It's a little close to the highway. So it's a little noisy. But yeah, here's the Scamp behind me. Oh yeah, she's a beaut. I'm currently using a new lens, so I'm kind of getting used to it. It looks nice. I like it. I bought some solar panels and like a little battery bank from Goal Zero. I'm gonna try and test it out. Today's supposed to be sunny. I guess it is a blue sky right now, but it's still so early. I'm gonna wait until a little later to pop it out. Damn, this is so cool. It looks so good.
I'm in Mount Hood National Forest.
I went ahead and set up the solar. So it's not really sunny in the spot that I set it up anymore. I'm gonna move these panels. All night I was charging, I was using this battery bank as shore power for the Scamp, and it only took it down to about 90%. So, you know, it holds power for a really long time. So I have the Goal Zero Yeti 3000X, and it came with two 100-watt panels in like a briefcase style. There's a few things I found out on this trip. The battery, it's no-go. Like the Scamp battery, it charges up, but it doesn't hold a charge. From what I've looked up online, it's a sulfated battery. I tried to get the heater, the furnace in the Scamp to work, and it does work. So once I get the battery replaced, I feel like the furnace will do better because it kind of runs off of electricity and propane. I was kind of expecting it to work while I was out here. I didn't, so it is a little colder than I expected without the furnace. So occasionally throughout the night, I'll have to just like charge up the battery some more, turn on the furnace, run it, turn it back off, turn off the propane. It's kind of a hassle, so I need to figure out that for future travels. In February, I will be embarking full-time in the Scamp as I make my way over to Indiana to film the first No Yeah series, which is the music session series in nature. Every day I'm doing a little bit more to get ready for all that. I'm excited for next year. It's gonna be full of creating. I've been spending this whole year just racking up equipment, all the things I'll need for next year, and I feel like I have some good ideas, so I'm gonna try and make them become a reality. I don't really care if it works or not, as long as I'm creating for myself. Hopefully others will enjoy.